This is fit for a 2020 and beyond Audi A6 Allroad with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima Timberline CoreBar base roof rack system. The system uses the CoreBar load bars, 50 inches in length, and the Timberline towers, which connect to the raised rails using a stainless steel rubberized band. Here we have the bars positioned at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum crossbar spacing is up to 49 inches. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.